Hi, we're at Class 1 Equipment. This is a demonstration video for Yes Oven, inventory number 4258. It's been refurbed. We've gone in and changed some of the things like new feet underneath it, which you maybe can see right there. We also installed a replacement. It's our PLC upgrade controller and a new temperature controller as well. Just do kind of a little walk around of the tool here. HMDS canister assembly, a flask with graduation on the outer sleeve. Okay, what we'll do is I'll kind of go through basics of how this controller works. Since it's already up to temperature, I'm just going to kill the power for a second, but not long. So when you turn it on, as with the original controller, you will get an alarm. You just hit this red button to reset. And then what you would do is you will go in, hit return, and it gives you your options. I hope this is visible, legible, but run status, edit program, maintenance, manual control, and about. If you want to, you can simply go into manual control, and it allows you to do certain things, like you can turn on and off outputs, alarm, vent on and off, and when you hit the buttons such as a stop button, you can see the inputs change state right here. These are the set points for a vacuum, which are adjustable as always. You just do that here, push the button, and then adjust the set point one there, and your second set point is adjusted from that little potentiometer. So the Granville Phillips vacuum gauge does not change. Its function is the same. So anyway, here are your inputs, outputs you can switch on and off, like I said, and here are the inputs. You go back to return. You can go into edit program, and you could either set to the factory recipe defaults, or what we're going to do is we're going to do an abbreviated run, so we only do like one pump down just to save time. We'll leave the 2-minute purge time. We cut it down to 1 minute bake. Pump time 2 minutes. HMDS just arbitrarily picked 1 minute, but it could be whatever. Post purge time 1 minute. Vent time, and there again you just change these parameters by going up or down. Well, let me go back here. And you can see I can change the values here up and down. So we'll leave it at 3 minutes for vent time. Pre-purge cycles, we're just going to do 1 to save time rather than the typical 3. Post-purge cycle 1, and then that takes you back to the main menu. So we'll just go ahead and hit start, and you can see it start to pump down. And to just view what's going on, you can go to F1. That just lets you look at the parameters while it's running. And what we're going to do is put the camera back. Put it on the tripod here. I'll have to do a little bit of adjusting. And we'll just kind of zoom in just on the controller, PLC, and the vacuum gauge. Just let it run.
minutes a lap.
process is complete. Just hit reset. One other thing, let me grab the camera here. As I said, you just hit reset. Just to silence the alarm, and it's basically ready to go again. One other thing though is if you do wish to change the set point, this is the present value, of course. This is the set point. You just decrease it however much or increase it however much you want, and then hit set, and that's it. You can also turn off the heat by the heating elements by hitting this button here, and then hit down, that's stop, and hit set, enter, and you'll see that the output is off now. Turn it back on, same thing. Hit up for run, hit enter, hit set twice, and that's it. That concludes the demo.